going on? It's your girl Anybody, and welcome to Plugtv. We're presently live here at Ajebo Unleashed 9.0 tag. I am Tegwolo, the champion of Worry, and it's so great and super exciting to be right here on this red carpet live at Eco Hotel and Suite. So guys, come right along with me as we go hear what people have to say about Ajebo Unleashed 9.0. Come right with me, guys. Oh yes, guys, we're still live here at Ajebo Unleashed 9.0 right here at Eco Hotel and Suite, and I'm super excited to have this awesome celebrity right here with me. He's actually the guitarist of the late South Sultan. YP, what's going on?
I'm fine.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
What's good?
Yeah, everything is good.
So how do you feel to be here tonight and also gracing that stage tonight to perform?
Yeah, I'm very happy to be here to support my G, my boss, my support system. Ajebo really supports the YP brand a lot. So that's part of the reason why I'm here tonight to support, and I'm also here to have fun. I want to see Tegwolo.
We don't respect ourselves. We don't respect us too now. So many rubbish they happen for this country now. We need to help ourselves now. I don't want to put this show, and this show is supposed to start 5 o'clock. And they talk, you catch you at the passcode. I don't need to follow you talk now. It's not right. And these people when they don't have fuck up. As people when they take will never come and I'll go sit down. Before they come and I'll chop their pop off. Then they ask me, I say, why did you say, did I meet you here? Yes, but when this country, there was no good to get now, we don't fit talk. Chop their pop off, go see what will happen.
All right, guys, it's becoming super more interesting right here at Ajebo Unleashed 9.0, and I have to go bring one of the Nollywood veteran acts. I mean, just take a look at this beauty. She's a beauty, she's a speck. Potatoes can potato, and you nobody specs. Good evening, Mama. How you doing?
Good evening.
How
I'm
you doing? You look
good.
so beautiful.
Thank
And
you.
I like this outfit, simple, classy, the rich auntie vibes kind of look.
Yeah.
I need to send my hands after now, you know. Okay, Mama, how you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
Tell me, show me how excited. I'm very well. Show me how excited you are to be here tonight.
Yeah, you can see it's written all over me. I'm happy to be here.
Okay. Now let's talk about the theme of this Ajebo Unleashed. It's called Tegwolo, the champion of Worry. What are you expecting?
Something fantastic.
Okay.
You know, when you hear worry first, you're going to say, no, levels no be here now.
Right,
You go know how far.
right.
Then Tegwolo come dey inside. When Tegwolo say, now I'm the champion of worry.
Right.
We need to go see him now.
Right.
We need to see Tegwolo with all the vibes.
Okay. Yes, guys, like I said the comedians are actually not joking. They all came out to support and, you know, show their love towards Ajebo. And here with me is comedian M.O.P. There's something I love about his outfit, which is the beret. What's going on? What's up? Is that your brand?
It's nothing much. It's
All
my
right, so
brand.
what brought about this beret thing?
It's just trying new things, and I found out that I like this one.
It's your trademark,
Cap is a
right?
regular thing, and
Right.
I can't be wearing red cap. I'm not an elder
Right.
yet, so
Okay.
This will be-
All right. So tell me, I am Tegwolo, champion of Worry. What meaning does that relate to you?
what meaning
Yes.
does that relate to
Now,
me?
what let me say. What are you expecting?
Okay, yeah. Tegwolo champion of Worry. The Worry youths, how the youths play, how they go about their everyday life. Ghetto kids in
Right.
general. Yes, that's what it is.
better be with me. You want to see crazy.
Yes, guys, we're still live here at Ajebo Unleashed 9.0, and it's Tegwolo, the champion of Wari. And guess who I have here with me? Mama Tegwolo herself. What's going on?
I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful, I'm awesome, I'm everything beautiful.
All right, so tell me, how do you feel to future in this great concept? I mean, this is a great project. Mama Tegwolo, like, how do you
I feel so happy, I feel so great because I started with Ajebo with normal skates. That's how we started, and then we dived into this Mama Tegwolo. It started as a joke, but look at us now. See where we're here. I know, right?
All right, so tell me, what are the challenges you actually face, performing this act?
You don't want to know. Actually, I don't know how to speak pidgin. Talk more of Wari.
So you have to learn it?
I had to. To pronounce Tegwolo took me how many days? I don't know. I keep saying Tegwolo. But it got to a time, obviously I had to.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at Ajebo Unleashed 9.0, and with me here is Acapella MC. Acapella, what's going on, bro?
We're fine. I'm all right.
So tell me, how do you feel to be here tonight?
Okay, very excited, you understand. We've been out of job for almost 2 years, understand, doing the job because
I
of the lockdown, and it's exciting to see that we're getting back, we're bouncing back, So when one is up, all of us, we're up.
Yeah,
So I'm very excited. The boys having a show already. That means we're back on track.
In case you don't like and you feel they go now. So that's joke number, let me just say number 2. But that the way you say they can't see joke, if I say this thing, now you pay. The thing don't they pay. If that's the show not today for your eye. Don't worry yourself. That's what the country will. Country will frustrate Buhari, get fitted back. See Tinubu now. Tinubu don't look say, since Buhari entered, just they go London. So, Tinubu got a place in London with the juju, so Tinubu don't move go there. Tinubu na come tourist attraction, anybody will go snap. But they say they want to do NSAS memorial. Since where some will the Nigerian youth of today, nobody say they know they listen. Now if you like for them, once you explain, as you don't act like. During the NSAS, you don't say some will go to address the youth now. If they talk 20 minutes, nobody disrupt them. He don't like one line, and they begin singing. Let's say you don't they talk too much. Smart thing, you don't they talk too much. Since that day, all the whole event for Lagos, so we dance focus. Papa don't focus. See now, NSAS protest. Nobody say the NSAS protest. The people will come and adjust Nigerian youth. Nobody say na revolutionary group or people who want to take over Nigeria. No. Normal young people will vote you. They can't take order, say things not they go well. They can't come out to demand for accountability. You got the answers. Who is your leader? Who you be? Oh, you don't even say that you are our leader. Oh, you don't say as they say 60 years no leader, will not complain. No. 2 weeks now will not get leader, they cry.
Okay, guys, this show tonight is not just about the adults alone. I mean, imagine someone like me having Mixed Kid right here gracing my red carpet tonight. What's going on, Mixed Kid?
I'm doing great.
So, Mixed Kid, tell me, I am Tegwolo, champion of Wari. What are you expecting?
I'm expecting a lot. First thing, I'm expecting to see him. The one I really to see Ajebo, the creator, the amazing creator of Tegwolo. He knows how to.
My question I want to ask, bros. Ajebo, when Tegwolo will die? No, you need to do skits when they take you this Tegwolo. More just get peace. Why that dog not kill Tegwolo? It's not to kill Tegwolo for that skit. My name is Akpororo, and I come here to come talk anyhow. Not just reasons I want to talk about that. Now rubbish. Now I want to talk. And if I face you, if whether they talk in funny or not funny, just laugh to help you. Because my mouth not good at all. Body the pepper. You don't look time. I beg. Anybody fit time they talk? You want to check time. Funny boom, you know your watch. 1:41 a.m. I beg no first. When wish to close? Normally wish go meeting by 11 and 12. When are they close? At the outside, when are they close? Hey, when are they close? Are you not a wish? Come on, answer when are they close? With the promoting the industry like you close by 3. Are we? So we are not late now. You say 3, you say by 2. How did you say come with that? Okay, now come with it. My name is Akpororo, coming with too much swag and too much anointing. I don't want to know. For my high like this, yes, food. And today, you must benefit. 1 hour, not the use. Tegwolo will be cartoon. How many hours he use? Cartoon use 1 hour. Be wait, get blood. Acapella come here to talk. He said, go London. He entered black car. Funny one. And he cracked joke. You don't get sense. I don't say it's senior me, but what now you want to explain the evil woman. I don't say one marry, but person where they follow don't marry. My brother, I tell you before, I call it to talk earlier. You know hear my introduction. I got put volleyball for screen. I like volleyball, fine boy. Volleyball fine from forehead. Reach here. Cut short the nose. Cut this side. You don't see volleyball nose from midnight. No joke, that guy, volleyball not a blow kata, in a poor kata. No swell up, open like another.
Yes, it's a comedy night show, and of course, you should be expecting a lot of comedians, or let me say, skit makers, right here at this event. So with me here is Brother Boucher. What's going on?
I'm doing good. I'm doing fine.
Good, bro?
Very, very fine.
This is the first time I'll be seeing you at a comedy show.
Seeing me, yes.
Yes. All right, so tell me one thing that excites you about Ajebo.
Tegwolo. Champion of Warri.
You know.
Yeah,
All right, so I am Tegwolo, champion of Warri. What are you expecting from such team of, events?
I think I just want to have fun. I just want to laugh.
Just like
I really want to laugh.
I just want to have fun.
I just want to have fun. Like very, very, very nice night.
Listen, gentlemen, you need to show some love for my friend, my brother, my colleague in the comedy business. If you love him so much, see, pause. Oh, you know people that they play some Wayo. And one more than help us do that Wayo. When I go see Chris Rock show, when they come out, now Wayo, when I visit the full American lover, they be like, they don't love us too much like that. But they get one Wayo, what they do? They go talk to them first, say please, just to make it look good for the international audience. When I will just stand up, when I will make the guy look very, very good, so that he will be say yes, when I love us. So when we put the DVD, not only when I will not say yes, when I not love us, but the rest of the world will not say when I love us. So what we're going to do, when I do the hype now, when I just stand up for Ajebo one guy. So make I do the hype. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? The guy that's about to come on stage is one man that is comically intact. Show some love for
Hey God, oh, you people are making me anxious. You restrict my airflow. I cannot breathe. Please, you people should sit down. That's the problem. Thank you. That's the problem when you are a cartoon. If the laptop spoil, everything will scatter. But God passed them all. Okay. You people. Oh, the laptop is working now. After 1 hour. Thank you. I am going to press it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to see you people. If you love Tegwolo, make some noise. Jesus. So, I people say Tegwolo doesn't have sense. And you love him. All of us don't have sense. Before I say anything, I want to introduce an elegant stallion, a children Peter. A round of applause for Mama Tegwolo. If not that you're my mommy, I will say you are a witch. Please clap for her. If you don't clap, if you go home, she will beat me. Okay, let me just greet everybody. Where's Uncle AY? Let's see. Uncle AY. Wow, thank you. Uncle AY, how can you be? You say you celebrated your 50th birthday. Is it football age or the real age? Because you look like you are still dragging with whiskey. Hey God, our African mothers. Oh, you people are wicked. Oh. You see this, my mommy, Mama Tegwolo. If not that, out of love, I cannot really say many things, but mommy, I just want to tell you, I love you. Thank you. Mommy, you know that recently, Obi Kubana's burying his mother. After he did it, he blew. He used 46 hours to bury his mommy. After the burial, he went for honeymoon. Mommy, are you tired of life? I'm sure. Don't worry. I will give you a grand burial. Hey God, I want to just say a big thank you to my sponsors, Mini Chin Chin. If you have eaten the chin chin, you know it's nice. Please make some noise for Mini Chin Chin. Also, I want to say thank you to the best real estate company in Nigeria. If you want to send we, the humble children, to buy a drug that the name is long, why can't you write it down? They will not say, go and buy Shekalaprim and Watchman. I will now be cramming it. Stay, strike clean. Stay, strike clean. Stay. Hey, God. And you know I like to play ball. I want to be Ronaldo. Hey, God, Ronaldo. Now see, all of you that used to send your children to all the primary school in Lekki that you pay 1.5 million. Why are you wasting money? All those school is not interesting. Our school is the interesting one. They will be singing boring song. Which one is Old Man Donald had a farm? What's our business with old man and his farm? Come to our Cool. We sing song and we give you the reply on the spot. Songs like the day is bright, 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 is brighter. Oh, happy the day is brighter. Oh, happy day of joy, Mama shall of rice. Oh, you see so that wherever approximately 9,250 naira. All the money they dashed me last Christmas. She said, let her save it for me. How many of you, your parents did it to you? Then when you now ask them, I want to buy biscuits, give me 50 naira from my own money, oh. They will now say, all the food you have been eating in my house and your school fees, where is the money coming from? Mommy, if you know that I love you and I cannot disrespect you, I would have said, God will punish you. That's why I went to go and take injection. She now promised me she will buy me biscuits. She did not give me anything, no. I see what happened. Mommy, sickness no good, though.
So, no. No, I swear you did now. You want me my picture?
We don't prepare the injection. Oh yeah, don't make your injection. Mommy, the injection I want give me. I just do. Now here I do. I don't get any money again. Mommy, I am healed. From the head to my toe, I am healed. No pain, no headache, no body pain. I'm healed. I don't need the injection. I have to keep your position for the injection.
Tegwolo, come on, you say one place. Don't make I hold you. Come on, bring your neck.
I don't catch my breath at this. I dey position my mind in a way where I dey comot my mind.
I should continue. Oh, no, no! Hey, God. I should continue. I better calm down. Now, I want to remind you of.
Oh yes, Ajebo Unleashed 9.0. I am Tegwolo. The champion of Worry is actually a success, and I'm super excited I made it down to this event because this is the kind of comic relief I need to start up my week with. So guys, if you're not here, you're missing. But not to worry, we got you, and I'm so sure that you had fun at this event tonight. Keep it locked down on Plugtv. If you're yet to subscribe on our YouTube channel, please endeavor to do that right now. And if you're yet to follow us on Instagram, please do that right now. Plugtv Live. It's your girl, Anybody, and I'll be signing out from here. Have a nice week. See you some other time, and please subscribe.